What we want to do now is to link our DoctorX account to Multiverse wallet, which is the exporter wallet. So what you have to do is to go to your Play Store, search for exporter. This is the app here. Exporter is the icon of the app. You download it. Once you downloaded it, you load the app. Okay, you set up what we call recovery phrase. You click here and then you do some assignments. You'll see they will say set up your recovery phrase somewhere around there. You set that up. Once you're done setting up your recovery phrase and then you write it down somewhere, you store it so you don't lose it. Then you close it. Okay. And next thing you come to the Dr. X portal. You click Dr. S icon. It is loading. Right. Just patient. Okay, so once the app has successfully loaded, right, you come here, let us see multiverse address, multiverse X address. Okay, so you click it. Now these are the things that the verification flow. This you read this, then you confirm. You say I understand. You click here and say I understand. Then you start. The first thing you need to do is sign up on Waves, yes. Then verification code. You sign up on Waves, go to profile and copy the verification code as below. Then you go to your Wave, some Waves, and then copy the verification code. Then sign up on Callfluent, sign up on CryptoMayo. Okay, so you go to your Sunwaves account, you copy the verification code and come and paste here. Let's do that now. So you look for Sunwave. Okay, this is Sunwave. You tap Sunwave, let it load. See, Sunwave have actually load. You click this icon here. Sorry, not this one. It's your profile icon. Profile icon here. You click it. Once you click it, you see settings. You click settings here. Click settings, and then this is your verification code here, right? So you click to copy it. You copy the code. Code has been copied. So you come back to your this page you open from DoctorX, and then you paste the code here. And then you mark as complete. It has been verified. Then you go to your Callfluent, right? You go to your Callfluent and do the same thing. So you go to Callfluent. This is not Callfluent. You navigate to Callfluent. This is Callfluent here. You tap on the Callfluent icon. App loads. So once the app is done loading, the same thing you do. You go to your profile icon here. You tap the profile icon. The X, you tap settings. Once you tap settings, you see verification code here. You copy the same verification code. You close the app. You come back to this very same page again. Then you paste the verification code. You mark as complete. Then the next thing is you go to your sale send, right? Sale send. Let me close this tab. Now we're going to sale send. This is sale send here, right? This is sale send. So tap on sale send. The same thing again like we did with Sunwaves and Callfluent. So you tap the profile icon here. Once you tap the profile icon, you tap settings, right? tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, you see verification code here. You copy verification code and you go back there and paste, right? So this is here, you paste it, then you mark as complete. Then you go to your crypto mayors, right? You open your crypto mayors app, which is this one now. Crypto mayors here. Once you open it, the same process, right? You let it load. Once it's done loading, you click the profile icon here. Once you click the profile icon here, you tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, you copy the profile verification code, then you come and paste it here. You paste it here and then you mark as complete. Now you've done the whole task. You verify. So verify is 10 seconds, 9 seconds, 7 seconds, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Verify. Tap to end verification passed. Continue. Okay, so what's the next task? Verify your profile. We've done that. Then mark as below your posts, your X post UR. Okay, so you copy this thing here, and you post it on your, what's it called, on your Twitter or X platform. So you copy this. Okay, so I've logged into my X account. Oh god, this thing is starting afresh. Shit. Okay, it did not start afresh. So I've logged into my X account. I'll copy this message here. Copy. And then I will go to my X account here and I paste it, and then simple and post. Okay, I've made the post, then I will just like it. So I'll copy the link. How do I copy the link to this post? There is this share button here. I'll just copy the link and then come back here, enter the link to that post here, and then mark as complete. Then it says follow them on X. Then click open X account from here. Then I'll follow them. Then I'll come back and mark that as complete. Then say follow Ion on X. Oh, let me follow Ion on X. I didn't do that. Let me search Ion. Ion, which is Eyes Open Network. Eyes Open Network. Eyes Open Network. Which is this. I'll follow them. Right. Then I'll come back to that same page where I was, which is here. Then follow MultiverseX on X. Here, this is where this place they wrote here. You tap that place for easy access. It takes you to the account. You follow the account here. Okay, so I mark that as complete, and they say follow exporter on X, which is this wallet. This here again, I tap there. It takes me to that place. I follow exporter, and then I come back again. Follow. Okay, I'll mark it as complete because I've done that. Then the next one is follow Zeus on X. Yeah, I will follow the Zeus. Who is the Zeus guy? Okay, I'll follow him and then mark as complete. And the next thing is verify. That verification should drop in 14 seconds. Okay, verification passed. So we'll continue. Then we are going to go to Telegram now to see the Telegram verification. Complete the step below. Verify user. Then you add your Telegram username, right? Name, guys. You open your Telegram account. You click these three dots at the top here, top left hand corner. Once you've done that, you click on your profile icon. Once you do that, this is your username here. If you don't have a username, you set one. Okay, so I have a username there. So I'll now go back to the exporter and I'll enter the username you guys saw there. So I'll just enter this, yeah. Then I'll mark as complete. It says I should join them on Telegram by clicking the link here. Let me just do that. It will take me to their Telegram. Then I'm already here before. I'll come and mark that as done, right? Then it says join Ion on Telegram. I'll click that. It takes me here. I'm already here before, so I'll mark that as done, right? Then it says join MultiverseX on Telegram. Still the same place. They click here, right? That's what I've been clicking on. I'll click here. I don't know if I've joined this one before. I've not, so I just joined them now. And then I go back and click as complete. Okay, so this will load in about 10 seconds to show verification passed. 5 more seconds, 4 more seconds, 2 more seconds, 0 more seconds, and then it's loading. Verification passed. So yeah, CoinMarketCap verification. You can just click the icon here, CoinMarketCap, add it to your watch lists, add eyes open network to your watch lists. Here you tap it. So you may need to log in here to create an account with CoinMarketCap. So I think I should have an account with CoinMarketCap. Let me just log into it once. If you don't have an account on CoinMarketCap, you use my link below to register on CoinMarketCap. Yeah. Okay, so I'm logging into my CoinMarket account. Let's see if I get successfully logged in. Hey, Jesus. It's a very long process, guys. But it's worth the efforts, right? To add, to follow these guys on CoinMarketCap, we've signed in. You just click here again. It takes us to the CoinMarketCap page. Then here is where you click to add them to your watch list, right? And then this is where you click this. Where is the follow icon? Where is open network? I'm looking for the follow icon. I'm not seeing that. Let me check. Community. Okay.
Don't you want to dance? Oh, I can dance with Michael Jackson. I can give you satisfaction.
Okay, I'm already following them. So yeah. Okay, so how did I do that? You go to home, you go to community, then community, you can see them, you can see the icon there. Then you select, so how to follow them here on CoinMarketCap is easy. Sorry, the network is disturbing and it's looking a bit difficult and confusing. So this is, remember, this is what you just have to press here, follow. Once you press this follow, you follow them and then you mark as complete to get verified. I think the next thing should be CoinGecko also. Okay, so you can enter your exporter wallet address here. So you go to exporter and copy the wallet address there and you paste it. Okay, so once your MultiverseX app is loaded, you just come here, look at what you select. Is this first coin here? In case the first coin your own is not the same, remember what you select is EGLUD. What did I say? EGLUD. Then you click on EGLUD and then you select receive. You select receive. Then you copy this wallet address here. You see the copy icon here. You copy it. Once you copy it, you come back to here and then you paste it. Voila, you are done. Okay, continue, close. Let's see if what we did is okay. So yeah, we've added our multiverse wallet address, so we are done with the verification process. If you have any challenge in the process of doing this, send me a message and I'll guide you further. Thank you guys.